What's up guys, welcome back to another unboxing. We have here the 14 inches Blackstone griddle, and also we have the Griddle leg kit. This is will be our new camp kitchen stuff, whatever you want to call it. But also we love this one, and we also try to get our hands on as possible in this one, because this one have a two independent burner, but I also have a stove on the side, and here will be our cooking area. That means we don't have to carry any pan or anything with us. We just have the grill right there. We can just throw the meat, throw the eggs, bread, whatever you want to do, bacon. It is amazing how they're gonna allow us to do all that. And also they have all the features for a Blackstone grills before that they have, though they collect all the grease, and they have a lot of features. Let's just stop talking and let me unbox this bad boy here. You can get this one from your local Walmart. They just released a few weeks ago, and we were so excited to put our hands on one of this one. I'm gonna show you here. But also when we get this one, I didn't know about the Griddle leg kit. Together will be around 200 bucks. I believe this one is like a 140, one something, and that one is like a 49.99. You will pay after taxes and everything like a less than 205. Here it is upside down. Let's just remove all the protection for the packing protection, and now let's just take the grill out. So far I love the colors. I love the match with the orange, because you know we love to have all our accessories and black and in orange. Everything comes together. You don't have to do any assemble. Just look at this bad boy here. I like the new lashes here. The profile of the grill, it is so amazing because how low it is. It is have a kind of texture here. It's so shiny. I really like it, this one. Let's pop up this one with me. Look at this. It's an awesome have a hinge right there that will allow this one to keep open, and this one here has more backing stuff. Oh, we dropped the sticker. Let me just grab the sticker here. We have a nice sticker. Let's take all these backing accessories. This one, you know, keep everything on packing. And this one here, I watched a couple videos before talk to you guys, you know, to be aware what I'm going to be expecting. Where you're gonna connect the propane tank or the propane bottle, the green ones, or even we have the 5-pound propane bottles here. We have extrusion overland bed drive that allow us to slide out our propane tank. That means we can just have the kitchen here or have it on the side of the truck, but this one is pretty handy. You can use one of this one, or also you can use the green bottles, the 1 pound. Okay, let me show you something here. Before we use it, they have these. This is instruction. This one here. This is the one I'm looking for. This thing here, you push it, and this one will release the oil here. And here it is inside in a clip, the attachment to connect on the side the propane bottles. Like I say, you might not need it because some of the hoses have this connector. Let me show you. Have this connector here, and you can just go straight with your hose, or if you need the adapter to use directly to your propane bottles, the green ones, the 1 pound. This one have here some clips here we are gonna put back there, and then this one is twist. It needs to twist it here, boom, and it's done. We only have to connect this one on the side, and you will be ready to use it. I'm gonna show you a couple clips here. Let me show you how is the stove here. We have all these area. It's in my hands here. It is a big area, and I'm so excited to open that one. We are not gonna do any cooking right now, but you can be connected in our social media channels. Read the description below here. And also, if you don't follow our channel, let's just give us a follow, support the channel. We have a lot of sponsors that support our truck. We do a lot of unboxing. We do a lot of camping trips. We go like almost every weekend. We go out. I'm from Florida, but we go all the way to Tennessee, North Carolina. We also going to Missouri next month for more expo. Let me just close this one here. I like how tight it is. They don't look like they're just rubber things here, and I like how it is. It is a single burner. That way you can control each one on the side, and I also have the electric start. Let me show you here. I love this one, how it is. You know, the orange accents. I love it. This is the 14 inches. They also release, I believe it's 20 or 22 inches. It is a complete grill area, but we like that one because to have the side burner for the stuff. Let me just open this one here. If you guys are excited to take a look at this one. This one also work with Camp Griddles, the old ones, and also different sizes that you can use this leg here. Personally, I don't see it before, because the one I see it before, it is like a table stand. That table stand, I don't like how you throw just the grill there. Somebody can heat it, and it's big. This one here, like I say, I never see it before. I'm gonna open here. Look like they come by pieces here. This is the legs, and here we have more backing protection. Should be a sticker somewhere. I don't want to throw it right there. We have another sticker right there, an instruction. If you guys like stickers, they come with stickers as well. You know, some of the guys in the community, they love to have a sticker everywhere, put a sticker on the container. We don't. We have all the sticker in our garage. I like how it is. You see, there is a clip, and how this thing moves. It's nice. Oh, they move like this. They move internal. It's nice. Let's take a try. Like I say, I never used it before. I'm gonna be here with you guys. Probably need to sneak on the instruction because I never see it before. I never see any unboxing video before. I love to have the orange and black accents as well. That means they're gonna be a nice match with all our accessories, because pretty much everything from outdoors, pretty much is orange, you know, tan colors, and OD green, black are most of the colors that you will find more of the accessories on the camping and overland stuff. Okay guys, here they have the legs. You only have to push it out, and it has a pins here. This one they're gonna insert inside here. Let's just place it here. I like it. I like it. I like it. Okay, here we have the legs. We're gonna put the legs here. I'm not gonna install the screws yet for the stuff, but it comes pretty similar. Tailgate height. My truck is 6 inches. Lift kit and the suspension. That way, that is why it is too tall. But probably a regular truck can be like this. And sometimes I feel like it is too tall, and you're gonna have the border here and everything. But this size is pretty good because we'll be matching with all the sizes in our camping area. I like it. We are in uneven terrain because there are rocks. I like how sturdy it is. Let me show you here. Look pretty nice. We only have to put the screws. That way you're gonna have a complete massive structure holding the grill to the legs. But I like how they turn. I mean, it's pretty nice. We are gonna be using this stuff in our next camping trips, and we will be posting in our social media using it and how we like it so far. Like I say, it is like all the Blackstone product. It is pretty amazing. They have a nice finish and everything. I already have some friends that they have this one. They told me this has been amazing. The non-stick surface here, they love it. That means we only have to remove this one if we are gonna clean it, but everything else is so nice. I like this one. You don't have those tall wind deflectors here and everything. I like the hinge here because you can just push it and it will be locked. There's no way that one they're gonna close and mess up all your food and everything when you're cooking. I will say I cannot rate it yet because we don't use it yet. I don't know how they're gonna be, but I'm pretty sure they will be a 10 of 10. For only $200, half the whole kit, or probably 140 if you only want to get the grill. I will say just go and run to your local Walmart if you want to get it, because I tried to research on the internet. Probably you can find it, but a good deal at Walmart. They're gonna be on the camp area. I tried to find on the barbecues and the outdoor area. They have a plenty and a lot of Blackstone products, but go to the camping section, outdoor section, they have all the another camping stuff, and it's right there. You will find it. This is the 14 inches, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, give me a follow for the support. If you like the channel, keep supporting with your comments. I pretty love the community that we are building right now. We have close to 160,000 followers on our social media. This has been amazing. That way push me to keep doing videos and keep doing review videos, talking about the truck and the accessories. More adventures videos they're coming soon to the YouTube channel, because we'll only do like a pretty much unboxing and showing products. I have few adventure videos because always I post it on my other social media channel, you know, short clips and everything that people can enjoy the outdoors and don't do a cinematic and a big movie when we do our adventures. This year so far it's been a blast with all the expos and events that will be we already attend on the event. We go all the way to Tennessee, Safe Expo in Florida. We have a lot of few Scotters and Bottles in Georgia. It's been amazing, but we also have Overland Expo. We are gonna be in an Overland Expo East. We are gonna be in a more Expo in Missouri. We are gonna do like a 5-day camping trip to that event. We have a lot of plans, and right now, remember guys, I'm a 2024 brand ambassador from Expedition Trailer. Right now I have the Off-Track Phoenix. If you want to see that trailer, let's go and take a look at my social media, or here on YouTube I have a video just doing a walking around of the trailer. But and also during the year, because I'm an ambassador for the whole year, I'm gonna be switching the trailer. That way I can be showing you guys the different trailers that they're lined up, and those trailers they're amazing. They're off-road. I just take my truck and just hit the trail so hard and they just follow me. I have some videos on the wolf bug camera when the trailer is jumping and say, oh my god, that trailer will flip over. No, it's been amazing. Thank you guys, thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for the next video.